And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy everyday eye makeup look. I'm using the NYX Phoenix Palette, and I'm starting off by using this soft pink shade here, and I'm applying this in my crease. This is going to be our transition colour, so make sure this is blended out very well. And to help me with this, I always like to use a fluffy blending brush. Now taking this top shade here, and I'm applying this into the crease as well. I'm using a smaller fluffy brush because I want it to be more precise. And this will help define the crease even more. Now taking this plum shade here, and I'm applying this in the outer part of the eye. I'm blending in circle motions and then swiping up along the tape. Now I'm taking this soft shimmer colour here, and I'm applying this all over my lid. Taking the Maybelline Gel EyeLiner, I'm going to start my eyeliner. And like always, I like to create a straight line across the lash line first. Once I've done that, I start creating my wing. So since we're using tape today, this will be a lot more easier. So just create a straight line across the tape, and then another one just above it. This will create a triangle shape. Then just simply fill this in and then neaten up the whole line. Then I'm just going along the tear duct area all the way down to create a little point there. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some falsies, and then finish up with some mascara. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this easy soft eye makeup look. This is perfect for everyday wear. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, then subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!